After a long time, I have seen a good roleplay model. This time, we are going to install Apollo thinking model on our local system with silly Tavern, and I will be showing you some really interesting roleplay. This model is a 4 billion parameter fine tune of Quen 3 4 billion thinking, and I think that is probably it is of quite good quality. This model is optimized for incorrect reasoning, which is quite a unique feature when it comes to role play models. So instead of just answering, it conditions strongly on a supplied persona in the system prompt and carries that persona through both its hidden scratch pad, which is thinking, and its final message. Practically, that means the model's intermediate reasoning traces are shaped to sound like the character. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member as that helps a lot. I have been doing role play models for the last couple of years or maybe more, and you can search them on the channel. The tool which I'm going to use for this is Silly Tavern with Uba Booga, and if you don't know what that is, how to get it installed, just go to my channel, search with Silly Tavern, and you should be able to get it installed. Let me quickly show you my system configuration. So what I'm going to do, I am going to use this NVIDIA GPU card, which is NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. You don't really need that much VRAM for this, but I'm reusing this GPU as I was also using it for another video, and this is my operating system, which is Ubuntu. So that is what I'm going to use. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Now, another thing which you need to do is to just go to its model card, Apollo's card on Hugging Face, and then make sure you go to files and download any quantized version. So which is another thing, I mean, if you don't have a GPU, you can even run it on CPU. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this quite a big full, floating point 16 GGUF. So I'm just going to right click on this downward arrow, and I'm going to maybe, just maybe, store it in my home directory, and then I'll move it from there. So let me download it. This is going to take a bit of a time. So while it downloads, allow me to talk a bit more around this model. So what they have done, they have removed some of the sort of guardrails or inhibitions in the original Quen 3 model. Lifting inhibitions means that they have reduced default guardrails that cause generic hedging and bluntness in creative setting without removing core safety. So safety is still there, but they have just sort of lowered the threshold. So technically they might have just fine-tuned on persona rich dialogue and scratchpad data, so the model learns to keep voice in both thoughts and answers. If you are looking to do the same, you can maybe use preference optimization with DPO, or even reinforcement learning with AI feedback with rewards that favor staying in character, and I think that is going to do it. So that is the whole thing behind this model. So let me now take you to my silly tavern. So this is my silly tavern, but even before silly tavern, let's also load the model. For that, I'm just going to go to my local text generation web UI, as you can see here, and then from there you can simply go to parameters or the models, because we first need to download the model. We already have sort of downloaded it, so either you can put your gguf here, or you can simply load the model if you like. So I'm just going to put in my Hugging Face info here, and if you just simply refresh it, you can see that in the drop down we have this gguf file, and you can click on load here, and that should be loading, and you will soon see successfully loaded. So our text generation web UI is good. For the parameters, one thing they have suggested, and I'm going to first just go with their recommended values, is to set the temperature between 0.1 to 0.5, because they just want to do the randomness or creativity bit lower in terms of model response. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set the temperature to 0.3, and these are all the stuff which you can play around if you like. but I'm just going to set the temperature to 0.3 now, and I think that should do it. Okay, so that is all good. And in the silly tavern, as you can see, you can, if you just go to this plug sign, and your model should already be there. If not, just give this local URL and make sure that text completion is selected, and our model is now all good and fine. Now, then you just go here and then select your persona, whatever persona you want to define. So I'm just going to, define a persona description that the user is 40-year-old Australian male AI YouTuber. And by the way, I will be, of course, using my own identity, but most of it is just fictitious. So don't draw any, don't try to connect any dots here. Anyway, but I'll leave that to you. I think that's pretty much it. That should just get saved easily. Nice. Okay, let me now take you to the actual chat. And just to test the model, I have also sort of made it more, you know, grounded. So this is my actual one, which I showed you earlier. And then I am giving it some characteristics and traits around what should be voice, style, emotional palette, some twists here and there. And then, some of the stuff, spice one, and then some of the rhythm boundaries and all that stuff. But it is quite tasteful, so don't worry. Okay, now let's, load a card. I think I'm just going to go with Serafina, which is quite safe. I would say it comes handy with it, but there are a lot of cards which you can get from, internet. So, but be careful there. It could be really get out of hand. So I'm just going to say hello here. So what we are looking to do, we are just looking to see that if model follows the prompt or not. Okay, so now let me carry it forward. So you see, she's just saying that hello. She asks her voice, a gentle melody in quiet room. Is everything all right? And she has just taken it like you are so pale, you need to rest. And what I am saying here, I am just blinking slowly and I'm saying, thanks, Serafina. Guess I owe you for patching me up. Feels like I got hit by a truck made of glass. And then some of the emotions. Let's wait for it. There you go. Now, if you look at this response from the model or Serafina, of course, seems quite consistent and elegant because we read through it, especially the yellow one. She is, or the model is staying fully in character as a serene guardian, mixing exposition with warmth and a hint of mystery. So, really good emotional pacing and sensory grounding, and it matches the gentle protector tone well. So, if I just click here, and if you read about Serafina's personality, this exactly matches what she's writing here. So let me go and then talk a bit more. And I'm just leaning back and I'm just saying, sounds like something out of a dream. Guess I owe you the dream. And she is just responding. Let's check the VRAM consumption. So just over 9 gig of VRAM for the half precision model, but you can of course go lower if you don't have that much VRAM. Now let's check this response. And if you read through this response again, she's leaning into emotional intimacy, soft, nurturing, and I think really protective sort of tone, which naturally lend itself to slow burn tension. So I think now we can respond with a bit more gentle. So I'm just saying, careful, Sarvina, that kind of trust can be addictive. And then I'm also giving some other clues and hints and stuff, if you know what I mean. And then you see, she says, you are quite bored, aren't you? And then soft melody again, but you're right, it's powerful connection. So I think this is a real good model if you're looking for a gentle, nice, in character role play without much inhibitions, or bit sort of, I would say, uncensored. Maybe give Apollo a try. That's it. Please let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing and, more importantly, becoming a member, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support, as that helps.